Hi, I'm Tasneem Mehta. I'm the Honorary Director of the Dr. Bhalla Museum. We have just completed 10 years since the museum first opened to the public after a comprehensive 5-year restoration, which happened in 2008. To mark this very special occasion, we have curated a show with 10 of our most talented artists. It has to do with the environment and with environmental degradation. It looks at the idea of nature, where we started out as a natural history museum, and today our engagement with the city, with the environment around us, and what are the issues that compel our attention.
So the idea was to ask artists to go back to the original intention of the museum and also addresses the issues that are being faced today. So now there's a big debate about Anthropocene, the so-called geological age that kind of having an impact on today's time and today's atmosphere, and the global warming, the rising sea levels, and many issues with the environment. So I think it's a time for the museum to take that step forward and addresses this issue by having a conversation with the existing display of the museum, and also to reinvent the museum's idea itself and to look at how are we going to think about the future forward.
Please do visit and tell us what you think.